Okay, let's start by paying homage to the Buddha. Namo Dassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Dassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Dassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. So yesterday we finished the EU stand. So with the plural form for the Baulinga and the Nabonsaka Linga. Now let's go to the 80 Linga, feminine gender. Actually, for the feminine gender also, mostly we have already, but just to understand. So those of that we have already learned now, we will apply it. So for the feminine gender, so even though E stand, U stand, after that C, just E, U, ready, nadi S, nadi, what do S, what do. So that is according to certain numbers, so 220, Sisa Dolo Bangasi bit. So after the other terms, the C is dropped in this way. And then in the Bokete case also, Gasi Biba, so followed by the, so that number 2, 4, 5. So okay, Bari, so long will become short. So that one we have already learned that, so the number Jala Barasa. So after the Jala Ba. So when God follows after Jala means masculine gender, EU, Ba means feminine gender, so EU. But long one becomes short. That is why even though Jala Ba refers to all power, EU, but long one becomes short. That is why only EU in this way can be understood. The number 2, 4, 5, Jala Ba Rasa. So we have already learned that one also. Yeah, 2, 4, 5 Jala. After that, so gas C, this pocket C is dropped. So according to the number 220. And also for the Dudya Vibhati also, so EU so become short. So followed by the singular case and then starting from the accusative case to the satami, to the satami, that is Agora Samika Vajana Yoswa all long power become short. Okay, so and then A. So this and we better change to the A ammoniki and Jala Behi, so the number. So 82. But here, so for the actually become the ya. So ya. That one is, we the same as the singular form. Only once of the in the singular, you see, in singular. So here long power becomes short according to the number 84 agora samika vachana yoswa bicha. But now is changed to the ya. That is so Bādoya. So Bādoya, under the I-U, we have already learned that one for the feminine gender. So Bādoya. For the feminine gender. So here Bādoya, so the number 112, you see. So after the I-I-U-U, so Na Sa Sama Sa Sama change to the Ya, you see. So that is here. So after that, the this soda. So the number 112 Bādoya. So here Iya Uya. So to here also long one becomes short. After that, so Sa become the Ya. So that is an Iya Uya. The same form, you see. So for this Sama also, Benjamin Wadi also. So we have the just Iya Uya. And then so Sama is changed to the Ya according to the number 114. Okay. And then for the so long one becomes short, that is so the number 84. Agorasa megawajana yosa picha. So after that same is changed to the ya, so just ya, ya. So that is so the number 114. And then for this same we have the another form. So yan, so yan. So that's also under the EU, we have already learned that one. So in singular, so here Iyan, Uyan, so the number 216. So Gaba do Sameyan wa. You see, so the number Gaba do Same. After the Ga and Ba, so Same is changed. Ga me A, Ba me U, feminine gender. Same is changed to the Yan. So that is one. So the number 216. Gaba do Sameyan wa. So now, singular also we finish. Plural is not so far from the other masculine and neuter. So EU only in so only in the so Batama Vibhati and the Alabana and Tudiya Vibhati will be different. So EU and the Yo so the first one is, according to Suda number 118, so Gaba doja yonan lobo after the Gaba jala, so yo is dropped, that is one just EU. Okay. And then next one is so yo only the yo and the yo. So followed by the yo long one becomes short. So that one also Yosukada Nikara Lobesu Digan when your is elided. Oh sorry, not that one. That is becoming Diga. Okay, sorry. The Okay, so Baba Doja Yonan Lobo. So that one also, we have already learned that one. Agora Samika Wachana Yoswa Bicha. Yeah, so here we have already Agora Samika followed by the Yo. So Ago. So do Lamba, which is no Ga, that means which is no A. So become short. So that is why Iyo, Uyo. In this way also that we have already learned that one actually. So here also, so the number 118 EU, and then so today are you also the same. Agora sami Rebecca was in your swabi. So Kaba doja yona loba firstly yo is drop. So EU and the EO uyo. So agora samiga wajana yo swabi followed by the yo. So the vowel long vowel which is no got becomes short in this way. And for the that they are already just ihi, ibi, uhi, ubi, the same sota. So suna hi suja. So followed by the but only he become the B is the same. Long one already long. We don't need to do anything. That is here now also, and then su also. Okay, so now we finish all. So in all three genders are also in masculine and neuter gender. So now let's go to the R. So for the R, with the Eka Vachana, R is just feminine gender. So not neuter gender, not masculine gender, only feminine gender. Only 80 Lenga. So for the Batama Vibhati, uh, to the Kenya R, and then when we add the C, so that C also drop only the Kenya. That is so the number, 220 Sisadolo Banka CP. But for the Bokete case, so R with the C, that's the also drop according to, but before that, R is changed to the A, so that's so that we need to learn. Okay, that one is actually Gadeja. Yeah, Gadeja. So this soda also we need to learn together. Okay, here God teacher. So that's a Magato. This feminine gender sign, this R. Oh, sorry. In the feminine gender, so Lambawe R is called the God in the Kaccāyana. So that is here. That's a Magato means so after God. So Kasa Ikara de so hoti. So the letter A is so substituted for God. In this way can be understood. So after the Ga, so A is substituted for the Ga. So that means R stem. After the R stem in feminine gender, we have the C. But this C is, Ga vocative case. So at that time, this R is changed to the A, the meaning of this soda. As a shortcut, we can understand in this way. Okay, so now that is soda number 114. So after R is changed to the A, this gas C is dropped according to the soda number 220, Sisadolop and gas CB. That is why we have the Kinye. But so we have so although now ending in the R, so can be, Kanye, but exception is next rule. So na amadito. So after the here, amma, so anna, and the amba, and the data. So exception. So after the after this term, so amma, so anna, amba, so data. So there is no the letter A. There is no A for God. So that means so God does not change to the A. Sorry. Kasa ikarata nahote. Sorry. So here after after the after the kasa ikarate so hote. So this ka is changed to the A. Yeah. So I made mistake. Okay, so that means we don't need to apply this rule. So this ka is changed to the A, and also followed by the A, this R will be dropped. That is Saralopo Madisa Bajyate Mi. Okay. So Saralopo, so the number 83. We have under the introduction, we have already learned that one. So the number 83. When vowel follows, so that is adesa, substitution vowel. So the stem vowel is dropped. So the number 83. So okay. After that, A drop 83. So now, so there is no A for ga. That is exception. So that means, feminine gender, but, such as Amma, So Anna Data. So this C car not change to A, say in this way. The first one is literal translation, but can be understood in this way. That is for the exception of the soda number 114. So that is just gain in this way. Kinye, Dewati, like a Dewata, Mala, Mali, but we don't have the Ami, Ani, Dati, just Amma, Anna, Data, and so on. And then, so for the, acute Dudiya Vibhati, so we have the just am in this way. So amo negahi dan jala behi. Ago amo agora sa mika wachana yo swapicha. So just gain. Okay, for that one. So for the mm, so this one also according to Soda number 83. Sralobo Madisa Bijya Demi Sralobe to Bakati. Just Soda number 83 we can apply. So followed by the Vibhati and Adisa Bijya Demi. So this R is dropped. So that is just remain. Okay. For the so that the here also we have the aya and with the dative and the genitive. So also we have the aya. And then for the ability also just we have the aya like a genyaya. And then for the Sadami with the main also the first form we have the aya. So aya, but for the next form is just aya. Okay. So for that one, we need to learn so gato nadinen. So gato nadinen. So the number 111. So gato nadinen. Also here, so that's a magado nadina mega vajanana vivadikanana no ayate so hoti. So ayate so hoti. So the meaning of this sutta is so that's a magado after ga aya is. So substituted for na sa sama sa same. Okay, as a shortcut bar. So for singular vibhakti. So nadina eka vachanana. Vibhakti kanana. So for a group of singular vibhaktis, na, etc. Okay, so as a shortcut. So after the R, that is feminine gender. So na, sa, sama, sa, same, change to the aya, according to this sutta. So in this way can be understood. So according to this sutta number 111. So na is changed to the aya. This na is changed to the aya. After that, this r will be dropped. So according to sutta number 83. So to here also, aya, so 111. And sutta number 83, r stem is dropped. Here also 111, sama is changed to the aya, and the r is dropped. And here also 111, and then so the number 83. So r is dropped. So in this way, yeah. But for the next form is IN. So that is gabado sameyan wa. So under the So stem in feminine gender also we have already learned that sutta. So for the singular feminine, yeah. So Gabado Samayan was sutta number 216. Sutta number 216. So sutta number 216 is only Samay is changed to the yan, not ayan. So that is when this R is not necessary to elide it. Okay, let's see. 216. Hmm. Okay, here 216, the meaning of this is Gabado Samaya after the Ga and the Ba. After this vowel, so Samay is changed to the just yan, not yan, not yan, only yan. So that is fine. Here we don't need to drop this R. Samay is changed to the yan, but previous one Sama is changed to the Aya. That is when this R need to be dropped. So to Nasa Sama Samay are changed to the Aya. So that is fine. So we need to apply this 83 rule also, but for this form it's not necessary. Okay, so now we finish is the singular form of this one. Now for the plural, so Bahuvachana, when we put, your, the first form is just your, we don't need to do anything, you see? But the second form is to the R we add the yo. So at that time only R form like a Kenya yo, Kenya or Kenya, Kenya yo. So that one is so Gaba doja yo ne lopo. So Gaba doja after the Gaba jala, so the number 118 you see. So Gaba doja yo ne lopo. So the number 118. And for the Bokete case, plural also the same one. Kenya, Kenyayo. And for the Tudia Vivedi also the same. So for the first one, we don't need to do anything, but for the next one, so your is drop. Okay, for the one. So now, so Batama, Alabama, and Dudia are the same. So Kenya, Kenyayo, Kenya, Kenyayo, Kenya, Kenyayo. And for that dia, so he, we have the, he. But another form. Just heat change to the B. So that is why B. That is Samahi Samaina Mabi Miwa. So soda number 99. Samahi Samaina Mabi Miwa. So heat change to the B. And for the dative genetic plural like just Kaccāyana. So we don't need to apply any rule. And then Benjamin also the same as the Kaccāya Kaccāya like it. So that dia. So ahi, abi. And then for this sadami also, we don't need to apply any rule. Just su. So that is why asu, kenyasu. Okay, so now we finish those are with the Bahuvachana also, both plural form also. And now let's go for the, goal. So this goal is a little bit complicated. So that goal also, firstly, we need to notice that in Parliament Easy, not talking about that one, just go, gawo, or something like that. But so that goal, so the first one we need to know. So this goal as a masculine, so ox, and this goal as a feminine, so no cow. So two gender, I mean. So based on that one, little bit, different. So that goal, so two gender can be. So go, even though in the ending in the or, so only that word in Pali, so all stem ending in the or, only that one word go we have. So that is why okay, one chart we need to copy. So all stem. Okay, all stem. So this one is Bowlinga. And this one should be 80 linga, no no neuter. Okay, so singular. So okay, for the one. So instead of saying or go stem directly, we can say that go stem. So go and the C. So the first form is go. So at that time, we don't need to do anything. So just C is drop, go. Okay. But so next one, this go and the C, we have the, gawo. So for that one, we need to learn. So Gao. So that is so that number. Oh, sorry. Gao is for the plural. For the so not singular. So in Parliament easy also let's check. So oh yeah, so this one is for the nominative case singular. It's just go, you see. But for plural is awo, gawo. Yeah, gawo is plural form. So now we don't need to do anything. Gawo. And then for the uh, p- so vocative case also sorry, just go the same soda 2 to 0. And for the accusative Dudya Vibhati go, so and the at that time we have the so the first form is Kawo. Maybe in Parliament is not included. And now we are just learning the Kaccāyana, that is one. The go on, right? The accusative or included. Okay, so and the next form is go and the am. So ga one and go and the so so go on, I say in this way. Okay, for the first form. Uh uh so I want meet ja. So the first rule is 75. Awa mija. So awa and mija. Here go eji dasa ogarasa awa eji de adisa hondi. So and me we bet day me and me we bet day me. Okay. So the meaning of this so that so when So and vibhati follows. Okay. So here go ejidasa okarasa awa ejide adisa hundi. So awa so awa so substituted for the o of go. In this way, short it can be understood. So for the letter O of go. So that means go stem and the to the alphabet M. But here, so O is changed to the first form awa, the second form awa. Two changes. Okay. So okay, so that is gawon is next form should be. So gawon, and the so gawon. So for the first one, so the number 75. So O is changed to the this O is changed to the awa. And then after that, followed by the N. So the number 83. Sra lobo madisabi because of this R. So hour of the R of hour is dropped. In this way can be understood. So too for the Gawan also. So the number 75 and the number 83. So according to the number 85, our mija all of God is changed to the awa. According to the number 83, Sra Lobo, followed by the N, R of the awa is dropped. So Gawan. And then, so for this one, the first stage, so the number 75, so all of God is changed to the awa. Okay, after that, so next of the awesuwa. So awesuwa. So our ejidasa gawadi sasa and srasa. So ukarati so hoti wa. So ami vivete mi. So ukarati so hoti wa ami vivete mi. So that means so followed by the and vivete. Followed by the and vivete. The letter U of the awa. That awa also substituted for the go of the gawa. Change to the U. So in this way. So the meaning of this so that when so and we bet D follows. So and that sarasa. So the ending vowel. So ending vowel are of the so awa. So awa ejidasa gawa de sasa. So the ending vowel are of the awa, which is our desata, which is substituted. Substitution of the, so gawa. So becomes shortly, this R is changed to the U. So as a shortcut or pattern, so firstly go in the so this go is changed to the so gawa or change to the awa. And then this go is changed to the gawu. That means change to the u. So and then this u is so u is jala ba. So ja, that one is masculine gender. So that is how we can call the la. So after the la and so later will be changed to negahita and more negate than jala behi. So shortcut of this one is like this. The meaning of this of that. So the change of all change to the hour is according to this Soda number 75. But according to Soda number 76, so R is changed to the U. So to see process clearly, I write down in this way. So that is here. O is changed to the hour and the R is changed to the U. That is 76. So after that, this negida, this N is changed to the negida. That is so ammoneghi than jala behi. Yeah. No, here. So ammoneghi than jala behi. Now, so we already so after that, and we bet is changed to just negida in this way. So the number 82. So in this way, Gawon we have. Gawon we have. And then for the instrumental case, go and the na. At that time also we have the ga we na. And the one more form is go and the na. We have the gawe na. So now first stage all change to the awa. After that na is changed to the a na. So all change to the awa is one soda we need to learn. So that is not the right soda. Your soup. Okay. This soda. So this soda is actually for the plural form, but we have not learned plural yet. So, but in this soda, Okay, here. So yosu ja go ejidasa okarasa awadi so hoti yo ejide su paresu. So that is original sutta. Okay. So original sutta mean so when your follows our is substituted for so all of go. That is plural form for the your. But here, because of this ja, yesterday also I already introduced one word, the etc. Ka or kahara. Here also ja. Not only your, but also ja. Yosu ja, followed by your also. Also mean not only your. When your follows also, when your also follow in this. Also mean the other one also in this way can be understood. Okay, so that is one here. So Jagahanan Kimatan. So na sama samesu wajani su awade so hoti. So that means by the meaning of the ja. So by means of the word ja. So when na sama so same also follow. So awade so hoti. Our is substituted for your. In this way can be understood. So that means as a shortcut can be understood. So go and the your. So all change to go change to the gawa. Okay. And also so go and the na or sama or same. Okay, so three cases in this way can be singular, can be understood as a shortcut for the this sutta. So that is why for the that day we were did the past stage. So the number 74. So the number 74, but not directly. So by means of ja, that is to understand the ja. And also, when you see here in this example, when I write down, all is changed to our gawa. Here gawa. Now the stem is changed to the a stem, not o stem yet. So a stem, that is why atonina. After the a, na is changed to the ina, like a bodhina. So that is why here. So atonina. So the number 103 after that's sama akara nawajanasa inadi so hodi 103 under the astan we have already learned that one. So 103 in this way. And for the go, but go So all is changed to the hour is in this sutta number 874 Yosucha, but all change to the hour is so based on the case different, changing applying sutta is different, you see. But generally, even though we could not remember, so we can understand all of God sometimes change to the hour, sometimes change to the hour in any case as a shortcut, as an easy way, we can. So, but here, just to understand the Kaccāyana, that is those of the changing in this way. So go here for this form. So Gawina. Okay, for this one, even though here we have already learned our ja. So here also one ja, you see. Here Jagahani na. So Sadi Sisi su Bobodra Wachane su. So go ejidasa okarasa awade so hoti. So here Sadi Sisi su. So Bobodra Wachane su. So Sa Adi. So now na is according na followed by the na. So according in this sutta already include na sa sama sa same. So but sa is remaining, and then the other plural form are also remaining. So that is here. The meaning of this sutta sadi si su. Okay, here. When sa. So boba Otta Sadi Sesa. So when the remaining, so we bet D. So sa, etc. Follows. But here, boba otta wajanesu. So boba otta wajanesu formally set. So remaining we bet these sa, etc. And then from so former saying. Okay, for that one, so 75 literally how to. By taking ja before the remaining inflection beginning with the sa that I mentioned in previous two suttas. So, okay, let's go back to the original place. So here, now we are learning this sutta. So go iji dasa okarasa awawa iji asida. Now, jagahani na bind the what ja by taking ja. So sadi sesu boboda wajane su. So when sa etc. follows. So boboda wajane su that are already set, that are mentioned in the previous two suttas. Previous two sutta here. So gawa se, sa, followed by the sa. So go all is changed to the awa. Okay, all is changed to the awa. And then yosuja. In the your now According to Sutta number 73, followed by the Sa, all of God is changed to the Awa. According to Sutta number 74, followed by the Yo and the Na, Sama, Same. So God of all changed to the Awa. So and the Awamija followed by the An, all of God changed to the Awa also. So but Jagahanena followed by the remaining vibhaktis except the so Sa, Yo, Na, Sama, Same. Okay. Na, Sama, Same. So that means any vibhakti follows, so all of God can be changed to the Awa. So in this way can be understood. So except, so that is a shortcut as a short. In the previous two sutta, so in the sutta number 83, Gawa say, Savubedi already dated genetic. In the sutta number 84, Yovibedi, and also Na, Sama, Same, all singular already. But so plural is not only your finish, that is fine. So he, Same, he, Nan, Su, Nan, he, Nan, Su. Followed by Hinansu also all will be changed to the Awa. So in this way can be understood. But here just Gawi Su and the maybe Gawi Na or Gawa Na or like Gawon Na or Go Na or many ways. So you see we will have. So that is why the meaning of this soda okay, by that ja. What is it? With Su. Okay, here. Sorry. When the remaining vibhakti follows. So that remaining vibhakti here can be understood. He, Na, and the Su. Because so remaining vibhakti follows all. So our is substituted for all of God in this way can be understood. Because in the previous two suttas, Sa and the Yo and also Nas, Sama, Same already. So and also in this sutta already. So that is why. So you're also already, that is a remaining vibhakti is just he vibhakti for the Daddiya and Benjami Bahuvachana, now vibhakti, Jadoti and Chatti Bahuvachana, so vibhakti for the Saddami. So in this way can be. So that is one should to understand easily, So when the remaining vibhaktis from Sa, etc., so that are mentioned. So that means in mentioned in 83, 73 and 74. In this way can be. So the number 72 and 74 follows. So our is substituted for go in this way can be understood. So now that is by taking ja. So that is this is with the ja in this way can be understood. Okay, so for the now this gawa sorry okara sahi awadi so hodi sorry awadi so no awa so awadi so hodi. So remaining the other one, so like the in the yosuja it's only awa, but here awa also that is a na sama same also will be there. Na sama same also. The remaining vibhaktis are these. So according to that one here, so in this 75, ja, so all of God is changed to the awa. So after that, the adonena. So, and then even though adona is changed to the ena, because of this ena, a of God, a of gawa will be drawn. That is Sutta number 83. So Sara Lobo. Here also Sara Lobo. So that is why gawena in this way. And for the dative and the genitive, so sa, we have the just, so gawasa, and the one more form, sa, so gawasa. That is in the Sutta number 73 now we will learn. So gawasi. Okay, so Buddha. Sorry. Sadi Sisu. Remaining with this. Sa also will be included. So because so beginning with sa, etc. Sadi Sisu. Sa, etc. Okay. So that are mentioned in previous sutta, in sutta number 73, 74, and so on. Yeah. So, okay, here The first one, so go and the dative and the genitive sa. So all is changed to the awa. So that is this sutta firstly we need to learn gawa se. So gawa se, okay. So go ejidasa okarasa awadi sohoti se vibete me. So when sa vibati follows, actually two sa, but singular also okay. Two sa follows. Oh, sorry. So awa is so substituted for all of go. So now, according to this sutta, Kawa says sutta number 73. So all is changed to the awa. And here, Sagamosi, sa is inserted. That is sutta number 61. So let's see. Sutta number yeah, sutta number 61. So when sa vibhati follows, sa is inserted. Sutta number Sagamosi, you see. We have already that one. So that is fine. So Kawusa. And then after that, so for the Kawusa, also okay, so the number 75 ja awami ja. So bind the word ja. So all is changed to the awa after that. So the number 61 Sakamosi Kawusa, Kawusa. Okay, Kawusa, Kawusa. And then for the Benjamin Wibati, so go and the sama. So we have the also actually two forms like a gawa sama. And then so go and the sama. So gawa sama. So gawa sama, gawa sama. So that one is here sama. Sama is in here. Awamija. Oh, sorry, not this one. So here yosuja. In the soda yosuja. So check here na sama same awate sohote. So soda number 74. We don't need to do anything. All is changed to awa. But gawa is soda number 75 bandawa ja. Okay. And also the same way, go and the sama back. So gawan ma. So go and the sama. So gawan ma. So sama is samina ma bimiwa. So the past one, all change to the hour, so the number, so 74. After that, so the number 99, Samai Mabi Miwa. Here also, so the number 75, Ja. After that, so the number, so 99 in this way. Because of, Kaccāyana structure, so many soda and a bit complicated, but simply can be understood. So followed by any, except the nominative case, you see, except the nominative and vocative case singular. So the other one, all of God is changed to the hour and the hour, and the following remaining. So it says simply can be noted in this way. So that is why, don't focus on that one. Just following the Kaccāyana, a bit complicated. So to Sama, but here Gawa. Sama is changed to the and Go and the Sama. So Gawa in this way. So the first one is so the number 74. And the second one is so the number 75. Ja. So after that, so Samasamena wa. So Samasamena, Sama and Same is changed to the R and the A. So that's Sama Akara. All is changed to the R. So Ast, that is one. So the number 108. One zero eight. Here also 108. So Sama is changed to the R at that time, hour of the Gawa, this R need to be dropped. So that is fine. So the number 83 Sra Lobo. Here also, so the number 83 Sra Lobo in this way. So 6 forms. But simply can be noted, all of God can be changed to the hour or hour, followed by the any case ending except the C. Nominative case singular, nominative vocative case singular. So okay, we should finish this singular. Set the me. So go and the same also will be, gawa, same. So yeah, the same way, just same is changed to me, so the number. So according to this order, will be but in my book, only the so gawa same and the gawan meat and go and the to just gawi. But if so gawa same gawan meat gawi also possible. So the same structure, the same these rule. So the first one O is changed to the awa, and the second one, so same is changed to the me, and that one, so same is changed to the a. So that is why A of gawa is dropped, so gawe in this way. Okay, so now bowling we finish. So 80 linga. 80 linga in the feminine gender. So for the 80 linga, maybe that one should be for next time, but just to briefly. Just after the feminine gender sign, E is added in this way. So, okay, that is for next time. So let's stop here by saying sadhu. So sadhu, sadhu.
Giêsu tìm bà. Giêsu tìm bà thầy à? Vậy đó.
Welcome.
Tìm bà.
Thank you so much, Shadow.
Welcome.